In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count data after applying a filter in Microsoft Excel. This can be incredibly useful when dealing with large sets of data and you want to focus on a specific subset without counting everything manually. So let's dive right into it. First, open Microsoft Excel and make sure you have your data in front of you. If your data column contains only numbers, or if you prefer to count only the cells that have numbers, this method will work perfectly for you. To begin, click on the cell where you want the count to appear. This is where your result will be displayed after completing the steps. Once you've selected the cell, let's start entering the formula that will do the heavy lifting for us. Type the equal sign, which signals to Excel that you're about to input a formula. Now type in subtotal. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. In this menu, locate and double-click on subtotal. This function is special because it allows you to perform operations on filtered data. Next, open a parenthesis right after subtotal and type in the number 102. This number is crucial. It specifies that you want the count of numeric values only, as there are different options within subtotal for various types of operations. After entering 102, you'll need to identify the range of cells you want to count. Do this by typing a comma right after the number 102 and then selecting the range. You can do this either by clicking and dragging across the cells you want to include, or by typing the cell range manually, like A1, A10, depending on your data location. Once you've specified the range, close the parenthesis to complete the formula. The screen should now display the entire formula as AE subtotal 102, your selected range. Finally, press enter. Right away, you'll see the count of the cells containing numbers within your specified range. But here's where it gets really neat. When you apply any filter to your data, the result of the subtotal formula will automatically update to show only the count of the rows that are currently visible. No more manual recounting every single time you adjust your filters. It's all dynamically managed by the formula. Using the subtotal function is a straightforward yet powerful way to manage filtered data in Excel, allowing for easy updates and accurate counts as you work through different data scenarios. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are ready to make the most of your data in Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.